remove a blackhead, 5 guaranteed ways to get rid of blackheads fast. Blackheads can be a common and noticeable problem for anyone with oily skin because as the skin secretes this excess oil on the surface of the skin, the pore of the skin expands and thickens. And if this excess oil is not removed from the surface of the skin, blackheads will occur or break out. Blackheads normally appear on the forehead and the nose area of the face. And they look ugly on the skin, and once they are deep in the surface of the skin it can be really difficult to remove them. Trying to pick or remove the blackheads by hand is not the right blackhead home treatment, because it can cause scarring on your skin, and will aggravate the problem. Listed below are some natural home remedies for blackheads that you can apply to your blackheads or pimples infection at home without side any effects. These are proven ways to get rid of blackheads fast. How to remove a blackhead. 1. Tea tree oil. This is one of the most effective blackhead home remedy. It contains good antifungal, antiseptic and antibacterial ingredients that help to restore the skin back to its natural look. You should apply tea tree oil directly on the blackheads or pimples on your face, by dabbing it on. And then you leave it to dry for at least 20 minutes before rinsing it off with some clean water. Repeat this process until your skin clears. 2. Toothpaste. One of the many natural treatment of blackheads that is very popular, is the use of toothpaste gel. To use toothpaste on your blackhead or pimple, it is best applied at night before going to bed. And when it is the morning, you rinse it off with warm clean water. 3. Skincare products. In order to get a fast and permanent cure for your blackhead, you will have to check your skincare products. You should always buy and use only oil-free moisturizer on your skin. 4. Water. It is very important and necessary that you drink at least 8 to 10 cups of water per day to keep your skin healthy and free from blackheads or acne infections. Water helps to flush out bad toxins away from the body, and it also keeps your skin hydrated. You should also drink lots of fruit juice too. 5. Honey. Another effective method on how to remove a blackhead is the application of honey. Simply apply organic/natural honey, which you can get from your local grocery store, on the blackhead and leave it on for 15 minutes. After it dries, you can then rinse it with clean warm water. Blackhead is a common skin infection, but many of us don't know how to get rid of them. Blackhead infection can be prevented by regular cleaning and maintenance of your skin. If the skin is unclean, it will cause the oily skin pores to be enlarged, the skin surface rough. And if this happens, it can become a pimple, so it is important that you keep your skin and body clean always, in order to be free of blackheads. To get rid of blackheads, check description link. Comment your favorite part. Like and share this video, subscribe to this channel. Thank you for watching.